So welcome to the next video in coffee processing. We're going to start with washed coffee. So when the cherries are at their peak ripeness and harvested off the trees, they're first taken to water tanks and they're separated for density. This means that unripe and overripe coffees float to the top, and any other foreign objects that might be there float to the top, and they can be separated away from the high quality coffees. After we've gone through the separation, the good cherries are then put into a depulping machine, which pulps the cherry skin away from the rest of the coffee bean. After the depulping, the coffees are then put into water fermentation tanks, where they'll sit in there for anywhere between 8 to 50 hours depending on where they are in the world. And by doing this, it removes the sticky mucilage that's attached to the rest of the coffee bean. Once the coffee has finished its fermentation process, it then goes to a drying station, and this could be a stereotypical drying patio, commonly used in like Brazil, Colombia, Guatemala, or a raised drying bed like you commonly see in Africa. So Kenya and Rwanda and Ethiopia commonly use these raised drying beds. And once the coffee beans are on their drying station, they're dried to a moisture content of anywhere between 10 to 12% moisture, and this can take anywhere up to about 12 weeks depending on the region and the heat and the general temperature of that region. In some regions though, where water is a little bit more scarce, they'll sometimes use more mechanical methods. So mechanical washing, where they'll actually scrub the coffee bean to get rid of the mucilage instead of the fermentation tanks, and they'll also sometimes use mechanical dryers, which can have its benefits and sometimes its negative effects as well. And that is essentially, very quickly, how washed coffee is produced. So the flavour profile of washed coffee, you generally get the more truer characteristics of that coffee growing region. Rather than adding any flavours from the kind of natural or pulp natural processes, you get a true origin characteristic. Thanks for watching this, I'll see you for the next one.